What's up, online shoppers? What's in the little white box? I will tell you what's in the little white box. A really awesome retractable clothesline. My family and I do a lot of camping, and I needed something that was easy to pack, that would allow me a place to hang up their towels and their wet bathing suits, and one that would travel with us everywhere. So it comes with this really nice little satiny pouch to keep it in, with a great drawstring top, and it's got these nice little tabs so that your strings never get lost. Let's open this up and see what it looks like inside. I love the multicolored clothespins. This is just so much fun. Look at that. And here's the greatest thing about this. This is a bungee cord, which means it's gonna stretch. So if you need to put it from tree to tree, you have a really nice distance here. Now this stretchy bungee cord will stretch between 10 and 12 feet in total length. 12 colored clothespins. Each of them is separated with a positioning bead, and the positioning bead, just you push the little button down and it opens up the springs and allows you to slide it along the distance, which is really nice because you know when it's windy, this will allow you to spread out all of your clothes so that everything gets equal space and good air circulation. And then when you're done, all you have to do to collapse it down is just push them together and then roll them up inside of the bag. Now it has two really nice strong stainless steel hooks that have been powder coated with black paint to help them be weather resistant. You can use this clothesline anywhere. Balcony, bedroom. I like that this is really lightweight and easy to store. Now you can use this for anything. You can use it for camping. You can hang it up in your apartment. You can hang it from your balcony. And when you're done, all you have to do is fold it up and put it right back in the bag. Such a convenient little clothesline with so many different applications. I'm pretty happy with what I see coming out of the box. It looks like it's really nicely constructed. The materials feel sturdy. You've got this nice 1/4 inch thick bungee rope with the nice stainless steel hooks at the end, and the separator beads, the spacing beads, as well as these really nice sturdy metal clothespins. I'm definitely happy with what I see. I'm gonna go put it to use, and I'll let you know if this is gonna be a family favorite at my house.